So, Jai Hind everyone, I am Chetan Tiwari
And I am Chitas Tiwari.
We are here to present our presentation on the topic AI in Healthcare, a vision for Chhattisgarh 2047. So, let's begin with the most basic and the most important question. What is AI in healthcare? So, AI in healthcare basically means improving the quality of healthcare provided to citizens. And it also focuses on analyzing large scale data and providing automated tasks and enhanced decision making for like the hospital management and doctor too. Now let's see why is AI important for Chhattisgarh Vision 2047.
First, better healthcare in villages. AI provides a better healthcare in villages and in remote areas with the help of television, telemedicine, and medical medical vans. Doc helps when doctors are few. AI tools can analyze many medical reports and can be used when there is a shortage of doctors.
Third, predicting and preventing diseases. Artificial intelligence has access to a large amount of data that is available on the internet. It has its capability to analyze that data and predict possible upcoming calamities and even diseases that may break through, like our COVID-19 pandemic. Next, ensuring affordable and accessible healthcare. Integrating AI into healthcare field makes it accessible and affordable for most of the people in our rural areas and tribal culture. Now, let's see key AI applications in healthcare.
Some of the key AI applications are AI in diagnostics and treatment. AI can be used to analyze X-ray scans, MRI scans, and CT scans, which can detect diseases in early stages. AI is more efficient than humans because it can detect patterns that are not normally missed by certain human beings.
Second, AI in hospital management. Managing hospital requires a lot of amount of employment and crew. For implementing AI can take over many roles such as booking appointments, lodging of information, managing of resources, and automate them at a large scale. Next, we have AI in drug discovery and public health. AI can analyze big large amount of data and it can calculate all the chemical formulas in much quicker way than humans. Next, let's examine AI's role in Chhattisgarh's healthcare.
AI's role in Chhattisgarh healthcare. First, AI telemedicine. AI telemedicine can be used in the places where there is poverty or in rural areas. AI telemedicine can help poor people connect easily and effectively with the doctors. Second, AI-powered mobile vehicles or AI-powered mobile health vans. It can be used in the places where there is a scarcity of doctors.
In these places such as rural areas, like today while we are traveling here from Bhatapara, we saw a mobile eye hospital vehicle. It went to, I think, Dhamakheda. It went from Bhatapara to Dhamakheda. It was a mobile healthcare vehicle which can be an example for our AI powered mobile health vehicles. Let's see, third, early disease detection. As talked about earlier, it can provide much faster calculations and it can predict using regression models and neural networking models in AI. Fourth, better use of limited resources. We have renewable and non-renewable resources and we can understand from an AI how we can use them sustainably by preserving them for the future and using our full finance. Next, improving tribal healthcare access. Living in Chhattisgarh and not talking about our tribal culture is a sin. So we should imply all of the above points for our tribal culture and promote healthcare facilities to the rural and more remote areas of Chhattisgarh.
Now, the question comes, what about the data, security and privacy? Using AI, it requires a lot of data and managing the data is also a difficult task. AI uses very much data for its precise calculations and medical reports.
One of the examples is data security and privacy. Second, we have bias and fairness in AI models. Access to such a big amount of data can lead to multiple biases and unfairness of the AI. To prevent such, the data on which the AI model has been trained must be accurate, unbiased, and with a higher moral value.
You have last 1 minute.
Yes.
Each and everything you should explain within 1 minute.
Yes. So as this pie chart shows, humanity has been able to successfully remove bias from 70% of the healthcare AI models, and the rest 30% is still being worked upon. Future prospects and conclusion.
Now we are like to conclude a PPT presentation. First, Chhattisgarh should improve rural and tribal healthcare, and AI will help in healthcare in Chhattisgarh with the early detection of diseases.
Then we have fair and ethical use of AI, improving productivity in hospitals. And final thought, AI can improve healthcare facilities by making it more affordable, accessible to remote areas and various cultural backward places. Like one of the examples from the previous paper presentations were Buster, when ma'am talked about how farmers commit suicide. In that places, AI can be integrated to improve their level of life. Thank you.
Thank you. Questions from the audience? Anyone? Is there any type of question? Yeah, there's one question. How a